Hey guys, how you doing today? Starting off with a clean face, and I thought I'd take the time to show you a couple of products that I've been using that I've really been enjoying. The first one is this repair oil, and I have really enjoyed this. Walk and talk, Monique. It's really nice. My skin has been stressed lately. It's been dry, but also oily, and you know, it's unhappy. My skin is starting to show signs of age. If you've got really dry skin, I'd use like 5 or 6 drops. I'm only using about 3 or 4 drops. I just love how all the little flowers are in there. It's so cute. Anyway, it's chamomile. Those flowers are chamomile flowers. And I just take that oil. Oh, my skin feels extra dry today. Let's get a little more on. Especially right around my nose. This stuff is pretty miraculous, honestly. My nose was peeling all around it from blowing it all the time because of my allergies. And like overnight, the peeling went away. Just amazing. And I've also been using their vitamin C with hibiscus flower. It's supposed to help tighten your skin. And I will say, look at that pretty color. Isn't that fun? I have been using this morning and night. And I really like it because while it sinks right in, it just leaves a little bit of a film on, which kind of makes it perfect as a primer. Like your makeup really sticks to it. And it's great for those of us who have age spots and signs of aging. You know, the vitamin C, it helps. Okay, got my prep done. Have an audition today. Actually, I have a couple of auditions today. One of them, I'm supposed to be playing a stripper, and the other I'm supposed to be playing a business person. So we've got to have a makeup that's going to work for both. So I'm going to do a simple eye makeup, a very fresh face, but I'll put on a bold red lip. So that's what we're going for today. My foundation. Okay, got my tools out. So lately I have been using this foundation that I got at CVS a while ago. It's Physicians Formula. I will drop the information down below for you. I've really been liking its freshness, and I've been doing the craziest thing lately, you guys. I haven't been wearing powder, which is kind of weird for me. Not for the rest of you, but for me it is. Going to apply that with a brush, though I will tell you that frequently I use my fingers. Oh, by the way, the Teamy Repair and the Teamy Vitamin C, I will have a discount code for you. 25% off, I'll put that down below at the bottom. We always like discount codes. Okay, I am applying with a brush. This is a Sigma brush. It is a soft blend concealer brush, the same one that I always use for my foundation. You can tell somebody has been going for walks every day, and even though she's been wearing her sunscreen, she's developed a little bit of color. Yay. I don't know why I'm talking about myself at the third person. Been cooped up too long. Under eye concealer. This is You know I'm addicted to my Joe Blasco orange highlight. It is very heavy theatrical makeup, so might be a little heavy for most people. Probably too heavy for me, but I'm addicted to it, so what can you do? I don't put my I don't put my concealer around the wrinkles around my eyes. I blend it a little bit there, but I don't really put it on there, so that kind of keeps it from going the wrinkles too much. It still goes in the wrinkles though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm going to add a little concealer there as well. This is my Amazing Cosmetics Amazing Concealer. I have been hooked on this stuff for years. Give that a little blend. And then this is something I've been doing lately, taking the heat of my hands, and yeah, I know, COVID-19, we're not touching our faces, but take your clean hands, just sort of melt that makeup in a little bit, just thins it. Let's get a little blush on. This is my Sigma brush that came with the Sigma blush set. They sent it to me for free, and this is available on QVC. I enjoy this palette because it's got pretty much everything I need all in one. So let's get a little sunshine up on the temples and cheekbones using this color right here, just so I look like I've been going out for walks every day, which I have been. There we go, just a little kiss of sun everywhere and a little pink on the cheeks. Rather than put on really any eyeshadow, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, I'm gonna go with the same sunshiny color and just put a little bit of that on my eyelid. Add a little hint of, just gonna give a finished look to my brows. I'm using an eyeshadow palette. This is by e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I'm gonna go in with this really soft, almost nothing color. Sort of like middle. Mostly on the ends. And see how it arches up right here? I'm just gonna fill that in and bring it a little lower arch. My mom is helping me with one of my auditions today. One of them, I mean, they're both remote. I'm not leaving the house. I'm just recording them at home. But one of them is a monologue, so I don't need anyone to help me with that. The other one is a scene, and I think it takes place in a strip club based on the dialogue. So I think my mom is playing a stripper. It's kind of fun. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna FaceTime and she's gonna read the other lines and off camera so that I can do my audition for the camera. So fun for all of us. My mom's actually a really great actress. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's get just a little bit of darkness right along the lash line. I'm gonna do that same palette. I'm gonna go in with this dark and a flat bristled brush. Also from Sigma. I've had these brushes for years. I got a kit years ago and I will drop the link down below. And not everyone is good at the tight lining thing. It does tend to make my eyes water a little bit right afterwards, but I do really like the way it looks. And this pencil is by Sephora. It is black lace. Gonna give the lashes a quick curl. Always opens up the eye. Sometimes I'm just too lazy to do it, but if I were just doing the stripper audition, I'd go full on smoky eyes. But since I also have a commercial look, we're keeping it toned down. Mascara, this is Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Even though I'm using a red lipstick, I'm still gonna line my lips with a nude lip color. And I'm going to overdraw my lips a little bit. The red lipstick that I got, where are my glasses? Where are my glasses? I know I came down here with glasses. Did I really not? Apparently I don't have my glasses with me. It is a Revlon lipstick. It is I'm not sure if that'll show. I think it's 746. It is a deep red. Supposed to keep it from getting on your teeth. So far, so good. This is the first time I've ever had a big mirror behind the camera. You know, all the times I've been making videos, I just got a vanity and it has a lighted mirror and I'm so excited about it. I will, if anyone's looking for a lighted mirror, this vanity is kind of awesome. I got it from something that I worked on. They said that I could keep it. So I'm super pleased about that. I'll give that red lip some blot because I don't want them to be too strong. Better. And as we know, I'm addicted. Just a little more orange highlight. And here we have a classic but dewy, I don't even know what we're calling this. A classic makeup look? I don't know. What do we call this? Basic makeup with a red lip. Make funny faces. A simple, classic, elegant, made-up look. Perfect for date night. Perfect for video auditions or Zoom conferences or just to feel good right now. I hope you are having an awesome day. I love you bunches, and I will talk to you hopefully pretty soon. I know I've been absent for a while. I've been a little busy with, well, a bunch of stuff, and sorry. So, that's so wimpy. Stop it. Don't apologize. Don't apologize for taking time for yourself. Okay, so I want to start out by saying sorry I haven't been around, but at the same time, I'm not going to apologize for taking a little time for myself. Sometimes you've got to do that. And I'm sorry that I have not been here with daily videos. Sometimes you just don't feel like it. Or you got stuff to do and it's not on camera. So, what is that? Oh, that's a rock. So, sorry, not sorry. I hope that whatever you are doing things for yourself and not apologizing for it. Sorry, not sorry. It's okay. It's okay to be sorry, not sorry, I think. New rules? I don't know. I love you bunches. Have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon. Oh, I so need a manicure.